Looks like a jumpy 13, 15. Alright, but 4 inches down. Pointer's picking up garbage. There we go. Gotta ground balance it once in a while. This is 4 inches down, so. So it's down here somewhere. It's over here more. I love it about the fact that you can turn that down. The sensitivity down. Otherwise I'd be digging in the wrong spot. Wow, that says really deep here. I think it's over here. Let's see. I got it out, whatever it was. Pretty sure. Okay, let's put this sensitive full power back on here. Oh, it's right there. I stabbed it. Well, that's a first. That'll drive you insane. It was a piece of aluminum. Could have been a ring or something. So I'm looking for some jewelry. I was looking for the target, like disappeared. Where'd it go? I can't find it. It was stabbed onto my knife.
Oh wow.
On the serration part of it. Serrated part.
He's feeling uncomfortable. He wants to go home because he's
got
that crap.
You had a landmine land on your knee, huh? Get poop on the knee.
Yeah, he's
they say something happens. Sometimes it does.
It's happening.
All right.
Have you seen Forrest Gump?
Yeah, I have seen that. Not recently, but yeah. And he's running like, you just stepped in a pile. Yep. Oh, just gotta keep trucking.
Yeah, it's funny.
You gonna head home?
Yeah, we're
all right.